Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the third day of January 2022. We are going to talk about Litentry today. Yes, I'm going to give you all a update, price prediction, and the market for Litentry. So before I get started, if today's your first time ever seeing my videos and my content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. This is what I do. I make sure that we are in position to capitalize off of the price move. We also want to know, is there a huge bearish pattern being seen on the chart? So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Look, I'm not here to confuse you. I understand that there is massive amount of confusion going on social media platforms regarding the prices of these cryptocurrencies. But I'm not about that. I'm not going to push that narrative on this particular channel. So you guys don't have to worry. I'm not here just to get the clicks. I'm simply here to show you to get in position as to where we're looking for the price to go. So check this out. I did a video actually not long ago in Litentry on October the 24th, 2021. I was telling you all then, hey, I'm still seeing the strength into the market in Litentry, but I want you all to see something. Yeah, I want you all to see that even though I was looking for the price in Litentry to go up, I wasn't massively bullish. I wasn't at all, because I knew that there was a point to where the sellers were going to appear, to where there's going to try to push down the price in Litentry. See, I wasn't overextended. I wasn't massively bullish. This is how you're able to time the market to not overstay your welcome, to not become greedy, to try to edge out a little bit of edge and profitability. No, you come in with a plan and you walk out with the plan. See that? 28%. The market in Litentry actually got rejected massively in November, towards the ending of November. And since that time, Litentry has been trading down and moving lower. So this is why you have to know when to get in and get out. You got so many other people telling you to hold these cryptocurrencies for the long term, for the next 20 years, when in fact the market in Litentry is just really trading sideways right now. So check this out. Let me get rid of that. Good call, good price prediction. So now we want to know, are we still seeing a bearish pattern occurring into the market in Litentry? First things first, we already know $6 is restriction. Yeah, so that line is very applicable to the current environment in Litentry. This is playing as a point to where the sellers are at. Now, let's look at this then. Where do you think the buyers are at then in Litentry? Okay. Because the market is holding itself around $2.50. So let me go ahead and extend this out further to see if we actually can tell that. Because if not, we might actually be expecting the price in Litentry to come down here. Okay, to $2. You see this? So I'm already showing you two locations to where the buyers are at. They're currently upholding the market in Litentry at $2.50, which is fantastic, which is cool, right? If we expect that to continue, then we can look for the price to go up from here. Now, the only way that we'll be able to tell if that's going to happen, and if they're going to continue to hold price above 250, then we need to see this from a longer term perspective. So now, let me break this down and show you all what we got now from a long term. This is a new month. So let's look at this on a monthly perspective in Litentry, okay? So here it is. We are starting off in a new month, and this is how the month of December ended. You tell me, is this strong or weak? Does the market look strong in Litentry? Or does it look weak? Yeah, it looks weak. Now, I will tell you that we may see a couple of trading days to where the market will go up. I understand. But from a long-term 30-day perspective, this chart right here is weak. So what about on the 3 months? This is Litentry on the 3-month time frame. Take a look at this. Yeah, this market here in Litentry is massively weak on a 3 months time frame as well. See, as you look at this, as you span out in time, you guys begin to notice that there's not a lot of strength being seen on Litentry's market. So what's really being strong? What's really being told on YouTube is not accurate. Instead of the market really buying up what these YouTubers are pushing, they're selling. Okay, look at this on a weekly. Now, you guys can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you all. The chart is the truth. This is where the market restriction is, okay? Around $3.55. So we already know if we're able to see price break above $3.50, we're going to be bullish. If the market gets rejected there again, we're going to be bearish. We already know this is the trade zone. Look at this. We've seen the market in Litentry over the last 4 weeks just trade sideways. I mean, a whole month went by and nothing has occurred into the market in Litentry. So this is pretty much like a time preference idea. From a monthly to 3 months, the market is massively weak. When you switch this over from a weekly to a daily perspective, yeah, I'm still seeing some strength here though. Okay, look at this on the 3-day. So yeah, currently the market here in Litentry it's decent, it's stable, it's not massively weak. But as time goes on, right, this is what we do. We predict prices without the confusion. So as time goes on, I've already shown you the monthly and the 3 months time frame. You still need to keep that in the back of your mind as to how strong the market really is, because from that time span, it is not that strong. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now into the market in Litentry, from a long-term perspective, is bearish. There is a bearish pattern being revealed on what the people are trying to do with the money. Now, shorter time frame looks decent, but I'm not going to be massively bullish, just like I did in October on my last video. I'm not going to be massively bullish. I'm not going to overstay the welcome in Litentry. Okay. Now, as long as the market in Litentry still holds $2.50, give or take, $2.67, we're going to be a little bit bullish. We're going to place some upward price prediction in Litentry. Right now, take a look. Yes. Now, how high can the price go? Exactly, 350. See, I'm not going to be overextended. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be massively excited whenever the price goes up and try to see if I can see the price break above 350. No, I'm just going to say, all right, cool. I might just need to take the bag there, because we saw the last time that Litentry tried to break above 350, it got rejected and price came back down. See, he's not going to get us this go around. So we're going to do that. That's the first spot. Outside of that, the next area would be around 385, which is around 21.63% movement to the upside in Litentry. Okay, now that's it. No more, no less. Okay, because outside of us holding this $2.65 area, my next spot is $2. See, I don't think that the price from a long-term perspective is done with moving down here to this $2 level, especially if we see this price get rejected at $3.50. Yeah, you need to play the weakness and expect the market to break $2.65 and try to trek down to $2. See, I'm already in position. I'm already seeing this. So when it happens, I won't be caught off guard. I won't be doing videos saying why the market crashed in Litentry, because I'm telling you this now. All right, so this is it right here. This is my updated price prediction in the market for Litentry, playing just a little bit of strength. Now, this is not a long-term prediction. This has to come to fruition over the next couple of days, 2 weeks. I'm not looking for this to come to fruition over the next month or 3 months, because that is that RAM that I'm still seeing the weakness though. Okay, so now this is what I'm noticing. This is what I'm seeing. Now it's your turn. Give me your price prediction into the market in Litentry. Let me know, where do you think the price is going to be in the next week? And then tell me, where do you think the price is going to be in the next 3 months? Right? So for me, in the next week, we're going to go up. But from a 3-month perspective, we're going to go down. And I'm definitely going to be paying attention to see if the buyer is going to hold this horizontal line right here. Because if they do, then I understand that this is a pretty good area that the buyers are buying. All right. So now let me know real quick, because money talks and noise walks. Make sure you maintain that profitability. And as always, trade different.